Team Enriquez Adventure! Ito yung waiting area nila. This is our room. So this is our transient house or room. Ayan. So meron dito 2 bedroom. Isa dito. Tapos isa dito. Ito maluwag. May 4 na bedroom. And this is the living room. Yung sala. Ayan. And this is the kitchen. And ito pwede magluto. Pwede siya. May space dito para magsampay. Ayan. Kitchen. May buko pa kami, oh. And this is the washroom. Here. Ayan. Malaki yung transient house. Laki ng living room. Transient house. Malaki na ko. May 2 bedroom. Ayan. Meron pa internet at TV. Tayo. Ha? Mag-jeep na lang tayo. Baka pagdating alakara mamaya pagod na. Yeah, mag-jeep na lang tayo. Kami waiting for Castle. Halika na, let's go na. Edre, come, let's go. In the front. You and me. You go first.
Nanay, mami, anak ko. Dito tayo lahat. Okay. Dito mi anak.
Dragon Castle. Hindi kami go-hide. Ayan. Dito na kami. Paakyat na. Here. Dito na. Paakyat na. Here. Go, get inside. There you go. Oh, dito muna tayo sa baba. Oh. Take your time. Okay, let's go here. Elia, do not climb, ah. Okay.
Are you riding the horse? I want the horse. The horse.
What do you want?
Anak, yung cellphone mo, baka
Mapag na.
Let's go inside.
It's cold inside.
It's cold. Oh, that's it. Wow. Neng! Nice ka din. Here, Olivia.
Hi. Alison.
Okay, sugar mo na to.
We're never coming here ever again.
Yeah. I'm not sure. Who lost? Ah,
Oh, look at the fog. It's coming down.
Yeah.
there's a fog but still.
Still.
Alison! Bring this one, I'll carry it here.
Nakarap sa akin to, hindi sa'yo. Kasi wala pa ako sa video. May yung exit. Dito kami sa Burnham Park, lahat ng mga kainan, lakad-lakad. Pag wala kami makita, punta kami ng SM.
Kasama si Mother Dear.
SM ang bagsak pag walang mahal na makainan. Alison, nauna si Ellison, excited eh.
Hi guys!
Pagod na si Elia.
Yeah, pagod na. Buti na lang may kuya.
Kami sa Burnham Park. Jollibee na naman. Ano itong close nila? Ayan ba yung ano? Yung close nila, ayan ba yung ano? Iba yan. Ah, yung... wala ngayon yung bangka? Close? Nililinis. O so ito, ano na pala yung bangka? Hindi kami makakaride ng bangka ngayon. Close, ayun no? Lia, go eat na. Yung kinikrib mong Kenny Rogers ni Rowena.
Oh, God.
Ha? That's mine.
Let me get your baby.
We can ask more if you want. I played before there. And then,
Track, yeah.
yeah, track. When I
You played in
my
that?
first year high school.
Did you run that? Did you run that?
Go, go.
Adri, Alison. Lia. Where you going? Huh? Where? What?
He's cutting me out.
Nagsasalita ka na. Oh, dali. Isa pa.
Okay.